in a minute. I believe this was, forgot what size these were. Let me go grab my ratchet. I'll be right back. Alright, I'm back, and I've got the swiveling head ratchet. As we can see here, we'll demonstrate. Push this little button on the side right here, and the head swivels. So you can keep it in the unlocked position so that if you need to slightly, ever so slightly move it, it's got some degree of angle there. Alright. So let me double check. I believe this was a 16mm bolt. Yeah. Oop. There we go. 16. So I'll get that socket attached. I'll get the second bolt in, and then I will proceed to screw this down. I don't want to go too tight. I don't want to go too tight on the one side just yet. Oh, and I got a beef. I got a bee down here. First day of summer, I've already got a beef chasing me around here. See if we can't shoo him away. Okay, wait, he's gone. Alright, so this is going to be a trickier one. You can see that already. There's not a whole lot of room to get in there. I'm going to try with my left hand. See if I can't get a better angle. Yeah, that's a little better of an angle. And don't be afraid to try different stuff. I mean, it's a difficult spot to get at. I'm using my left hand here now, and you know, you may need to wiggle it around just a little bit to get to get it going in better. But and I think I had a harder time getting that one in and out because it is kind of close to the top of that carry bearing support. So let's see what we can do. I'm gonna just lengthen this sucker and make sure I'm going the right way here. That is loosening, and that is tightening. So let's get in there. I'm not gonna snug it all the way down, and you know what, I should take my watch off because this thing is just gonna get in the way here. Hands are getting sweaty. Not the first day of spring, but I mean, it's like a beautiful spring day today. 75 degrees. It would be heaven if I wasn't working on my car. I think you can still see where we're at. Yep, okay. So we're gonna try to get in there again. Get on top of that bolt. I think I just about got it there. Let's see where we're at. There we are, and we're on it. I gotta tighten it down. Right, let me feel on that one. Okay, that one is snug. Okay, I really didn't want to go that tight on that other one just yet, so I'm going to loosen it back up, because if my rear drive shaft doesn't line up for whatever reason, I'll have to loosen this up anyway. So what I was thinking is I'll get the rear drive shaft installed, and then I'll come back and tighten everything up one final time. And this way I don't have oops, I lost my swiveling potential there. What happened? Okay, I don't know what happened. There we go. If everything doesn't line up, or once I get everything in place, then it should line up, and then I can snug everything down, and then that will give me less of a chance to have a vibration from the drive shaft in the rear. Because the last thing you want is your drive shaft to be, you know, moving all around on you. So I can see that there's definitely some play that can be had here in this piece. So I'm gonna leave it. Actually, I'm gonna tighten up that one over on this side, which is, like I said, it's kind of difficult to get to. See, it's on the end over here. This is the far one. Driver's side is more difficult to get to. This looks like I'm on it though. Okay, I am on it. Good. And it looks like I'm gonna have to keep the ratchet up here. But I'm just gonna tighten this one down. It's gonna get it kind of snug, but not too bad. And this way I can reattach that rear drive shaft. This is going in really nice and easy. Not giving me any trouble at all. You can do it with one hand. Let me just check. Yeah, we still got a lot of play there. I'm just gonna make sure I don't go too tight. Still really loose. Apologize for my arm. Really has a long way to go. Thought it would have been snug already. Check, make sure I'm still on it. Made it come off of it. No, still on it. I think I am. Anyway, let's see. Yeah, should be. Still pretty loose. Huh. Let's see. Oh, no, now I'm tight. Too tight. Now I gotta go back the opposite direction. So like I said, I don't want it that loose or that tight where I can't adjust it yet. Okay, that's adjustable. Okay, we're good now. Now we're ready for the drive shaft. So we'll do that in our second video.